grip, just hold my fingers and sit for a moment. I don't remember the talk, but I couldn't balance when we walked. I was begging for help as if it's somebody else's problem. Memories incomplete, recall the way you looked at me. 1 dozen work turns to 8 on the hotel floor. Falling over, I used to relax, but it doesn't feel good anymore. Being sober's just terrified, crawling out of my skin, can't recognize where the problem begins when 1 dozen work turns to 8 on the hotel floor.